Hello, my dear students. This is CB Soni, your English teacher. I hope you all were quite well and you all were doing well also. Today, we are going to restart the topic active and passive. As we all know, that in our last video, we had somewhat completed the introduction portion of this topic. In introduction, we would know the definition of active voice and passive voice and some examples of active voice and passive voice and the conditions where we should use the passive voice. Today we are going to learn how can we convert an active voice into passive voice. It means we are going to have some rules for the conversion of active and passive voice. First of all, we have general rules. First rule is we can convert an active voice into passive voice only if the sentence is from the following tenses. First, simple present tense or present indefinite, it is also called. Second, present continuous tense. Third, present perfect tense. Fourth, simple past tense or past indefinite. Fifth, past continuous tense. Sixth, past perfect tense. Seventh, future indefinite tense or simple future, it may be also called. Last one, future perfect tense. My dear students, इस नियम में यह बताया जा रहा है कि हम एक्टिव से पैसिव बनाते समय यह बात ध्यान रखेंगे कि सेंटेंस इन निम्नलिखित 8 टेंसेस में से ही हो, क्योंकि एक्टिव से पैसिव इन 8 टेंसेस में से ही बनता है। सेकंड रूल में आए हुए 4 टेंसेस का पैसिव नहीं बनता है। As in the second rule, if the sentence is from the following tenses, the passive voice is not possible. इसमें लिखा है कि अगर एक्टिव का वॉइस, एक्टिव का सेंटेंस इन 4 टेंसेस में से है तो उसका पैसिव नहीं बनेगा. Which first one is present perfect continuous tense, second past perfect continuous tense, third future continuous tense, and fourth future perfect continuous tense. We have to remember always that if the tense is perfect continuous, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous along with future continuous tense, there is no passive voice possible for them. Okay, my dear students. Next rule, the passive voice is possible only if the verb is transitive. For the possibility of passive voice, it is very important that the sentence of active voice must have a verb that is transitive. The sentence of active voice must have a transitive verb. If the verb of active voice is not transitive, its passive is not possible. Now, what is a transitive verb? I have already told you so many times what is a transitive verb. A transitive verb is the verb that has an object. As we have 5 examples of transitive verb. First one, he delivered a magnificent speech. Okay, my dear students, how can we identify, how can we find out that the sentence, the verb has an object or not? हम ये कैसे पहचाने कि वाक्य में वर्ब की कोई ऑब्जेक्ट है या नहीं है? Okay, to find out if the verb has an object, we will always question what or whom. हम हमेशा what or whom का क्वेश्चन करेंगे. यदि हमें आंसर मिलता है, it means there is an object. If the verb has an object, the verb is transitive and its passive is possible. He delivered a magnificent speech. He delivered what? A magnificent speech. My friends always help me. My friends always help whom? Me. We should love the poor. We should love whom? The poor. My father gave me a cycle. My father gave me what? A cycle. She presented a beautiful gift to a friend. She presented what? A beautiful gift. So, in all these sentences, we can find the answer of what or whom. It means all these sentences has such a verb as transitive, and the passive voice of all these sentences is possible. Next rule, the object of active voice is the subject of passive voice, and the subject of active voice is the object of passive voice. My dear students, it is very important while converting an active voice into passive voice that in हिंदी you understand it. जब हम एक्टिव से पैसिव बनाने जा रहे हों तो ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि एक्टिव वॉइस में जो ऑब्जेक्ट है उसका हम पैसिव में सब्जेक्ट बना दें, और एक्टिव वॉइस में जो सब्जेक्ट है उसका हम पैसिव में ऑब्जेक्ट बना दें. एज इन दिस टेबल आई हैव ट्राइड टू टेल यू what is the object of which subject. The object of I is me, the object of we is us, the object of you is the same, the object of he is him, the object of she is her, the object of it same, and the object of they is them. In next rule, we will learn how can we change the helping verb while converting an active voice into passive voice. If the sentence of active voice has am, we first, or with s or es, or do or does. The passive form, the passive helping verb will be is, am, or are according to the subject. Second, if the active voice has is, am, are along with ing verb, in passive voice we will use is, am, are plus being. Third, if the active voice has the helping verb has or have plus am, we. Third, in passive voice we would use has or have plus been. It means has been or have been. Fourth, if the active voice has am, we second, or did plus am, we first, in passive voice we'll use was or were according to the subject. Next, if the active voice has was or were plus ing verb, in passive voice we'll use was or were plus being. If the active voice has the helping verb had along with am, we. Third, in passive voice we would use had been. In fifth rule, we will know what is the changing procedure of modal verb while converting an active voice into passive voice. If the sentence of active voice has the modal verb as will, shall, can, may, would, should, could, might, must, ought to, or used to, we will always use be to make a passive voice. For example, if it is will or shall, it will be, shall be. Can be, or may be. Would, should, would be, or should be. Could, might, could be, or might be. Must be. Ought to be, and used to be. Next, if the sentence of active voice has the verb is, am, are, was, were plus to, we will use be in passive voice. If the sentence of active voice has the helping verb has, have, had plus to, we will use in passive voice be. If the active voice has a modal verb plus have, i.e. would have, should have, must have, can have, could have, will have, shall have, we will always use been in passive voice. Okay, my dear students, and very important rule above all, in the passive voice, we always use the third form of the main verb, i.e. past participle. Remember, my dear students, while converting an active voice into passive voice, we will always remember that we always use a third form of the main verb in passive voice, and the third form of the main verb is called past participle. I think this is enough for today, and I hope you understand what I have explained to you today. Remaining part of the topic would be in our next video. Till then, goodbye, stay safe, wash your hands in regular intervals, put on your mask while going out, and keep at least 6 feet distance from anybody who is unknown to you while going out. Okay, my dear students, thank you very much. Goodbye.